Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered if this is all there is? What if I told you that the universe, our entire cosmic home, has a bruise? A massive cold scar so strange, it might be evidence of another universe colliding with ours. This is not science fiction. This is real, verified by satellite data, and it has shaken the foundations of cosmology. Stick with me till the end, because what we uncover today could change everything we thought we knew about the universe. The cosmic cold spot, a scar from another universe, the discovery. In 2004, NASA's Wilkinson Microwave Anisotropy Probe, WMAP, was mapping the cosmic microwave background, the faint afterglow of the Big Bang. Think of it as the baby photo of the universe, a snapshot of what it looked like just 380,000 years after it was born. And then, scientists noticed something bizarre. In one particular region, about 1.8 billion light-years across, the temperature was significantly colder than its surroundings. Not by much, just a few microkelvins. But in the world of cosmology, that's like finding a glacier in the middle of a desert. They called it the cold spot. First theories. At first, astronomers thought it was just a statistical fluke, a cosmic coincidence. But the cold spot kept showing up in data, not just in WMAP but later confirmed by the Planck satellite. It wasn't going away, it was real. One theory? Maybe there's a huge empty region of space, called a supervoid, that caused the cooling through something known as the integrated Sachs-Wolf effect. Basically, light passing through a massive void loses a bit of energy, causing it to appear slightly colder. But here's the kicker. Astronomers did find a supervoid there, but it's not big enough. Not by a long shot. It's like blaming a pebble for a canyon. So, what's really going on? The collision hypothesis. Now hold on tight, because this is where things get wild. Some physicists, like those from the University of Cambridge, proposed a bold idea. The cold spot might be the remnant of a collision between our universe and another universe. Let that sink in. According to the theory of inflation, just after the Big Bang, space expanded faster than the speed of light. And if inflation happened once, it might have happened countless times, giving rise to the multiverse, a sea of bubble universes, each with its own laws of physics. And occasionally these bubbles might collide. What would that look like? A scar, a fingerprint, a strange massive cold spot in the cosmic background. Exactly what we see. The implications. If this theory is right, it would be the first physical evidence that our universe is not alone. It means that everything we know, our physics, our constants, our reality, is just one possibility among infinite others. In one universe, gravity might be stronger, in another, stars never formed. In a third, life could exist in ways we can't even imagine. And here's the mind-blower. If a collision did happen, the other universe might have had a completely different structure of space and time, one that passed through ours like a ghost, leaving only a faint frozen echo in the sky. So, what now? So, is the cold spot proof of another universe? Not yet. It's still a mystery. Some scientists still argue it's just a statistical oddity. Others say we just don't have the tools yet to probe its true origin. But with new telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope and future missions like CMBS-4, we're getting closer to understanding the universe's deepest secrets. We are staring into the face of something ancient, something cosmic, and possibly something not from this universe at all. The cold spot may be just a patch of the sky to most, but to those who seek the truth, it's a portal, a scar, a whisper from a universe beyond our own. If this doesn't make you question everything, you're not thinking big enough. If you enjoyed this cosmic journey like this video, subscribe to Science Professor and share this with someone who still believes we're alone in the cosmos. Because the universe is strange, but it's even stranger when you realize it might not be alone.